Okay, in this program what I'm going to do, I will take the first number and second number from the user, and we will take the like operator symbol, what operation we want to perform. That's why I use num1 equals to int and said input, and then I said enter first number, then user will enter, then I said number 2 then int input, and then said enter second second number. So we have two numbers and we want to get the operator as well, optr, so I will get operator only, and in using input, and then said enter operator opr operator symbol. Okay, so and we have three things, so we will decide if optr double equals to plus, then result equals to number 1 plus number 2, then we say print sum of two numbers like result, and then say. So this line of code will do one thing: if operator is plus, entered by the user is plus, then addition operation will be performed, otherwise this code block will not be executed. Then again I check if optr double equals to minus symbol, then we can say result equals to number 1 plus number 2, sorry, number 1 minus number 2, and then say print, and then use f, and then we say subtraction of two numbers, and then we will add the number like result. Understand? Then again I will check if optr double equals to divide symbol, then division operation should be performed. Then we'll say result equals to number 1 divided by number 2, and then say print, and then say division of division of two numbers. Okay, then what numbers what is result, this is the result. And I hope so you will do for multiplication like these operations. Control S to save, go live. Now run this program, enter the first number, I said 100, enter the second number 200. What I want to do, I want to perform addition operation, that's why I press the plus symbol and I get the sum of two numbers. If I run this again, and I have 200 300, then I said minus operation, that it is subtraction is done. So if I has 505, then division operation I want to perform, that's why I will get the 100.0. I think you got to understand about this, how these are working. Okay.